how to fix cannot start game or app on PS5. So here's what you want to do. Just go into your settings in the top right. After you have clicked on settings, then you will choose users and accounts. From here you want to scroll down until you see other and just click on other. Now you want to choose restore licenses. Here you can choose the game which you're having issues with and just click on restore after you have checked it. Alright, so if that doesn't work, what you can do is go back into your storage. So click on storage and here we will go into saved data. Here choose your saved data and game wrap settings here so you can see for example PS2, PS4 games. You just click on it and then you can delete your saved data there. And if it still doesn't work, the last thing that you can do is delete the game altogether. So I'm gonna go back to the home screen. I'm gonna press on the options button here on the controller, and once I click on it, I gotta hover over the game, of course, and once you click on the options button here, you can delete the game and re-download it, and hopefully this is going to fix the issue. So leave a like and sub if this worked, and I'll see you next time.